dream so frail. Breathing in this sacred stillness, heartbeats echo ancient prayers. Clouds of glory sweep the heavens, grace unfolds in quiet layers. Celestial light shines through the shadows, guiding us when we are lost. In this universe of yearning, every soul has found its cause. Rays of mercy pierce the darkness, eyes of faith they see so clear. Through the veil of doubt and sorrow, peace that wipes away our fear.